Hey, Insurancenick here from Lademan Insurance Agency. Now, you're getting this video because either you have Medicaid or you do not have a healthcare policy at all, and you're trying to understand how that's going to impact your auto insurance premium upon your renewal. Before in the previous changes before this new law, you've had unlimited medical. And if you've had either of these two situations on your last policy premium, then what you're aware of at this point is you actually are purchasing your medical needs if you had an auto accident from your auto insurance provider. Now that same thing is going to continue on this new renewal policy, but you now have some choices. You see, you had unlimited coverage, and unlimited coverage in the state of Michigan prior to the law change was we had the greatest coverage ever, and it cost us, well, quite a bit of money. So the new law gives you the opportunity to reduce your insurance coverages. Now, right now we are at unlimited, and that's how your policy is automatically renewing. But you have the choice to bump that down to maybe 500,000 in coverage. You can also bump it down to 250,000 in coverage. Now, between Medicaid versus no health care, Medicaid offers one additional coverage change, and that coverage option goes all the way down to 50,000. But you see, if you were to take any one of those and reduce those coverage amounts, if you had a bad auto accident that resulted in major medical needs, once you've exhausted that ceiling, okay, meaning that if you selected 250,000 and you needed greater than that much, you needed more than 250,000 in medical coverage, that anything above that you would end up having to pay for out of pocket. So you got to be careful in the choices that you make and understand what the risk is that you are taking. Our job is to identify your options, and so it allows you to be able to pick the policy that best fits your needs when it comes down to it. So now that you understand what your risk is, now we're going to wait for your phone call, right? So we want to talk to you so we can talk it through so you can make a educated decision that makes the most sense for you, and that we can do the best service for you on your policy. We care about you and we want to help, and we want to make the process as easy to understand as well. There's also a document that I'm going to include that's a link in the back end of this video, and it clearly outlines the coverages that Medicaid or either no healthcare provides. You will see that some of the choices that are there, what it includes and what it does not include. So it allows you to really better understand what that risk is as well. So thank you much. We're waiting to hear from you. Call 734-284-7500, and we'll get working on it for you. All right, we'll talk soon. Thanks a lot, guys. We appreciate you. Talk soon.